Hello, welcome Aquarius. How you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy, and safe, following the rules and guidelines of the government. Okay, welcome to Vasud Tarot Prediction. Today is the reading for the three important topics: desire, direction, and detail. Okay, take it however it resonates. It's a general reading related to career, relationship, however it resonates. Okay, so one important thing, guys, that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. Via Google Pay and PayPal you can donate. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book on one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, situationship, relationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to be a part of workshop, 10 days workshop and 15 days workshop related to tarot learning and numerology, the details are given in the description box below. You can enroll. And last but not the least, I just want to tell you that if you want to be a part of a soul giveaway, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so you can check it out. Okay, let me check it out what's going on with you guys. What is the desire, the direction, and the detail? Also, one more important thing, I am doing daily live sessions between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So if you wish to join me over there, you can. Okay, the weekly details are already uploaded on my Facebook page. Okay, kindly comment down below if you like this reading. Take it however it resonates related to career or relationship. Okay, it's just a general reading. Okay, so what is your desire, Aquarius? What is your desire? Your desire is a decision, judgment. Wow. Your direction, movement, the Chariot, ruled by Libra and Cancerian. Okay, what is the detail? Justice. Wow. Okay, so let me check it out. What's going on with you? What is your desire? Let's clarify the judgment. Well, your desire is to move away from someone or something. I think to move forward, taking a risk, taking a leap of faith, moving towards someone, something, moving, starting a new business, starting a new job, starting a new relationship, whatever it is. So starting, beginning of something new, that is your desire. You are thinking about something related to long term, related to your career, either or else relationship, some sort of, this new beginning is related to some sort of long term commitment. Okay, it might be related to career, it might be related to relationship. Okay, yes, you are releasing all the, worries, sadness, anxiety issues if you had, and you are thinking about taking a risk and taking a, thinking about a new beginning when it comes to your new job, new business, new career, new relationship, making a decision towards it. Okay, yes, let me check it out about your direction. Some sort of movement, you are willing to take some sort of movement, definitely. The Tower, demolishing of a bad cycle, bad situation, bad finances, and rebuilding, establishing of a new cycle, new life, new beginnings. Okay, yes, Page of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Three of Swords, Eight of Swords. Okay, so there was a lot of, trapped energy. You were very much stuck and conflicted about something in the past related to heartbreak. Okay, it might not be related to relationship. It might be, this stuck energy might be related to career, your finances, your relationship, whatever. Okay, so some sort of, trapped energy was there, some sort of stuck energy was there. You were conflicted between your heart and head. Okay, you had a lot of emotional, unfulfillment. Okay, and your direction is you have to move forward. Okay, some sort of big shakeup is going to happen. I think it's happening currently. Some internal healing, internal transformation you are going through currently. Okay, and once this cycle comes to an end, I think there is a new beginning waiting for you, which will help you to move forward into your life. And once you move forward from all this, trapped energy, conflicted energy, sadness, worries about anything, about either of the three, either relationship, career, or your finances. Okay, once you get away from this trapped energy, this emotional unfulfillment, then a lot of new opportunities are there, a lot of new ideas, new beginnings are there. Okay, let me check it out for the detail how to go about it. You have to move forward, guys. This is your direction. Okay, you have to end something, you have to move forward, you have to stop thinking about something, you have to move forward when it comes to your finances, building up yourself up, thinking about yourself, self love. Okay, yes. Justice, yes. Okay, so I think I'm visible. Okay. um okay, so there's eight of pentacles, guys. That means that someone is trying to build up something. You have to do a lot of hard work when it comes to building up your own finances. Okay, and that will only happen once this cycle ends. You move forward, you start moving forward, and you regain your own power back and start working on your finances, building up your own finances. Okay, and you have to be very strong when it comes to, because a lot of problems, shakeups will come in the mid of that way. So you have to be very strong, you don't have to lose hope, you don't have to be weak, you don't have to give up, but you have to move forward. You have to start working on your finances, your money related things, everything. Okay, and once you do that, a lot of justice will be coming towards you. Okay, and there will be always once you do all this, and once you gain a lot of this happy energies, then you will be very happy. Because and I think currently you are going through some analyzing process, you are going through some healing process. Let this healing comes to an end, let this tarot moment, let this cycle comes to an end. After the cycle comes to an end, you have to move forward, you have to regain your own power back, you have to build up your own finances, your own empire. And once you do that, justice will be served to you. I think in the past you must have done a lot of hard work when it comes to your career, your finances, thinking about this and that. Okay, and you were very trapped about it. Okay, worried about it, depressed energy, worries, sadness. Okay, but once you do that, once you move away, once you move forward with all this, once all this tarot moment done and completes, and you move forward, then a lot of good energies, positive energy, positive vibrations, lot of happiness is waiting for you guys, Aquarius. Okay, so I have told you your desire, the direction you have to take, and the detail of it. Okay, so this will help you out to build your own career. Okay, so I hope you like this reading, I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, and if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, you're most welcome. Okay, you can contact me with the details below, and that's it. Okay, so kindly like my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, and kindly share it. Okay, thank you so much, Aquarius.